Hello everybody and welcome to Fast, the YouTube channel where you can find out everything you really want to know about cars. My name is Robin and today we are here with this really beautiful Audi Q8. So this car is a V6 Hybrid and we're going to take you on a POV drive. You will see it in the POV, but this is the steering wheel and the interior is really nice. A really beautiful Audi Q8. Very nice, and it's the new interior of Audi. So here you have the navigation system with all the panels, and you have of course your virtual cockpit. Now this car is in EV mode, so it drives fully electric, and we take a quick spin with this car on the highway, some country roads, and a little bit of acceleration of course. And please let us know what you think of this car. So as you can see, we are here at the Utrechtse baan near The Hague, and if you look to the right we have the Wittebrug. Here you can see it over here, and they provided us with this very nice Q8. And speaking of Q8s, here we have another one, another very nice Q8. Incredible. What a beautiful car. The weather is really nice. You can see Rotterdam over there. This car is very big and drives pretty good. I normally don't like SUVs, but this car is very special. This car drives really good for such a big car. It's a lot of power too. What an acceleration for such a heavy car. It's so much fun to drive this car. And if you think of buying an Audi like this, go to Wittebrug or go to somewhere else where they sell Audis, take a drive, but don't hesitate. It's a really nice car. The quality is really high. The interior looks stunning. It drives pretty good. Actually, it drives amazing. For a car this big, you don't feel like it. It's a big car, but I drove other cars that are a little bit smaller than this and they feel way bigger. And you can really drive this car in the city, on the highway as well, on some country roads. It's just a very usable car. It's pretty spacious too. It has a lot of space, so the kids at the back and the dog behind there, it's all possible, and it drives really good. So as I said, it has a lot of power, so you don't miss any power with such a big car. So guys, thanks for watching to this POV drive of this Audi Q8. If you want to see more of this type of content, let us know in the comments. And also, if you like the content we provide, then please subscribe to the channel and do a thumbs up for more videos like this. Thanks for watching again, and see you guys in our next video. Ciao!